This butter garlic naan is soft, pillowy, and bursting with bold garlicky flavors. It's perfect for scooping up a cozy chickpea curry, or you can serve it on its own. And guess what? It's way easier to make it than you think. Let's get started. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Stir and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until the mixture becomes frothy. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together. This ensures even distribution of salt throughout the dough. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee and our activated dry yeast mixture into the bowl. Followed by a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Mix with a spatula until a soft dough begins to form. Knead by hand for about 5 to 7 minutes until the dough is soft and elastic. But remember, you can always use a stand mixer if you have. This makes the work easier. Apply ghee all over the dough. This is to avoid it sticking on the bowl when it's moving. Cover it and let it sit in a warm place for about 1 hour until the dough doubles in size. This is the secret to that pillowy texture. In the meantime, let's make our garlic paste. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic. You can either finely mince it or grate it. And chop a bunch of fresh coriander. Combine everything together in a bowl of melted butter. Our dough has doubled in size. Give it a light punch to remove the excess air and knead it for about 1 minute. Transfer the dough to a working surface and divide it into small equal portions. Dust the working surface and roll the dough ball into your preferred shape. I'm doing mine round with even medium thickness. Cook your naan on a medium-high heat. No oil is needed. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until bubbles form and you get those beautiful brown spots. Brush your naan with garlic butter paste when it's still warm. Trust me, this step takes it from good to amazing. You have just made butter garlic naan like a pro. Soft, fluffy, garlicky, and brushed with warm butter. This is comfort food at its finest, but trust me, it even gets better when you dunk it into a rich, spicy chickpea curry. Don't stop here, hit the next video to learn how to make that perfect curry pairing. And hey, if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and join me for more cozy flavor-packed fun in the kitchen. See you there!